Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my FORVR Moods candles. I'm going to be telling you guys some crazy story that happened with them. Really not that crazy, it's just like my experience with them. I'm going to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions on these candles and whatnot. So if you want to see what happens, what unfolds throughout this video, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and click the button down below. Y'all know you want to. As well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Now, let's jump into today's video. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm going to be talking about the FORVR Moods candles by Jackie Aina. If you guys did not know, FORVR Moods is Jackie Aina's brand, and she has come out with, I'm just going to open it up because I haven't opened it up. She has come out with candles and like silk pillowcases and head wraps and like really cute things. It has been out for a couple of months now, and I like never made a purchase. I actually think it came out like on her birthday in August, if I'm not mistaken, but like I really can't remember. And so the candles are pretty pricey. However, like I love Jackie Aina, so I like really wanted to support her. The first launch sold out, as you could expect, and so I never like got it, and then I didn't like get the restocks. It was just like a lot, so, and I was really busy with rotation, so I like wasn't really focused on getting it. But then finally she said she was coming out with this collection called Send Moods, I believe. Yeah, this collection is called Send Moods. So I said, yeah, I'll buy it. I want the kit. Like, you know, I think like it's gonna be really cute. It's Auntie Jack. Like, you know, she never does anything wrong. I am unboxing it now. This is so heavy. Ooh, like I said, guys, this box is heavy. It already smells really, really good. The Send Moods gift set does retail for, what is it, $135. I bought the big one because I wasn't aware that there was like a mini gift set, so I bought the full-sized ones, whatever. And in here, there are 4 different candles, and they have 4 different like names. We've got We Not Lincoln, Grown Folks Business, Hey Big Head, and Skinny Dipped. So I honestly mainly got this collection because of the names of these products. So yeah, I mainly got these because of the name of the candles. However, my joy soon became just stress. It's because I ordered these candles on the day that they came out. They came out October 30th, and I was planning on leaving Utah November 20th to go home for Christmas break and just like really, you know, de-stress from all of this. But I said, hey, like I want to buy these candles, let me just get them. And I'm not going to ship them to Miami because how am I going to come back with 4 heavy candles? So I shipped them to my apartment here in Utah, and I was like, well, it's going to get here in time. That's like, you know, 20 days. I was wrong. I ordered, super excited. I got my confirmation email, whatnot, and then it's like a week goes by, and I'm like, I haven't gotten a shipping notification for this, you know, like, then like a couple more days go by, and I'm just like, what's going on, like, what's going on? And then I finally just like kind of go on their comment section, and I see that people are saying, oh, like the shipping is delayed because they are moving warehouses and whatnot, so they haven't like shipped out this collection or any other orders that they've gotten. Just be patient with them. It's only Jackie, Dennis, and like her sister Folake, you know, kind of like manning the whole system. And like honestly, sure, that's all fine and dandy. However, I just don't think that, like, I also don't know the story, right, of like what was going on behind the scenes. Truly, that's just what I was reading on the comments in Twitter. But like, why would you decide to move warehouses while you're also launching another huge like quantity of items and you know that your first launch sold out. Like, to me, it's kind of like get your ducks in a row before you put out something to be sold. Or you could have at least said, oh, this is pre-sale and we're not going to ship these to you in like 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know if delays happened with moving warehouses. Again, that's like, you know, I don't know that information because like I'm not there with Jackie. This is not meant to bash Jackie or Forever Mood in any way. I'm just telling you guys what I experienced with shipping. And for me, shipping is a really big, like, thing that I judge people on when it comes to like things that I order, because I really like judge people on shipping. But like, whatever, I ended up getting my candles like about a week and a half after I left to go home. And then I was like even more upset because I was like, well, how am I going to get them into like my apartment? They're going to be sitting out here. And mind you, I went home in November. I had no plans of coming back until January because I had an extended break and I decided to take my break because, you know, I deserve a break. So luckily, I remembered one of my friends had like my spare apartment key and she was still here. So I like got her to come and put the package inside of my apartment for me. But like nonetheless, I was still like pretty upset that I didn't get to have these candles when I wanted them and kind of, you know, relax and use them and all that stuff. But either way, that's not the point anymore. I do have my candles. I am really excited with how they look. The packaging is like amazing. These are heavy. So this is what it looks like. It says open to get lit. I love it. And this is what 4 candles look like. All the names are listed. You can smell them already. So that's a really good sign. These candles are supposed to be able to burn for about like 60 hours. So yeah, I'm super excited. They do smell fantastic and I cannot wait to like light them and kind of have my apartment smell so good. Oh, We Not Lincoln smells so good. Wow. That smells great. There are instructions and stuff at the bottom. The packaging for this collection to me is just so sleek. I love the brown, the matte, the gold. Like, I love it. And I am here to support, you know, Black businesses and small businesses. So I'm really excited for these. This one smells really good. This one smells like a lot like vanilla. Hey Big Head smells a lot like vanilla. I don't really have the descriptions of what they smell like right now on me. Sorry guys. I really just wanted to unbox this and show it to you guys. Oh, Skinny Dipped might be my favorite already. Wow. Love that. They just smell so good. Like, I mean, we're talking about Jackie Aina here, so she's not going to produce anything that's like not quality. Which is why, like, I'm not, like, entirely upset of how long it took me to get these candles. I think I was just more upset because I wasn't here when they got to me, and I thought I ordered them with enough time for them to be shipped. But, you know, like I said, that's neither here nor there. These are the candles. I would buy from this company again. Like, once these run out, I would definitely try, like, another set or so. They are pretty pricey for candles. However, you do pay for quality. And no, I have not lit these yet. But follow me on Instagram, and I will give you guys an update on how these candles worked out for me and, you know, the burning time. I don't know a lot about candles. I just like the way they make my apartment smell. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I do just want to reiterate once more that I was not trying to bash Forever Mood or Jackie or anybody involved with the company. I was just sharing with you guys my like experience with all of the mess and just kind of the frustrations that I had. Still go out and buy some of these candles if you want to. Honestly, the packaging and presentation alone is worth purchasing. But yeah, that's really it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. Come on. New year, new you. Go ahead and subscribe, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys next time.